Kamusta ang lahat? Marilyn is here again. And let's do the massive unboxing of bags and bags. And I think I have one shoes. But see how much boxes I have? A lot. 1, 2, 3, and then 4, 5, 6, and I have here from Dillard's 7 boxes. So let's start with Dillard's na lang kasi I'm excited what's in here. Okay, let's start to open this box. Again, nakaupo lang ako dito. Ayan. Aray ko. Mag-open tayo ng box. Ayan talaga ang buhay. I-open lang natin to. Tignan natin. Ano ang order ko. Ayan. Oh, this is the bags. It's 4 bags here. This is the bag. Colhan. So cute. So cute. So cute. Pakita ko lang sa inyo kasi hindi natin to siya isa-isahin. Mag-unbox. Ipakita ko lang kung ano ang mga nasa loob niya. Tingnan natin siya. Ano ba ito? Ang galing ng pagkabalot oh. Love it. Love it. Let's see. Rebecca Minkoff. I love Rebecca Minkoff kasi ang ganda ng kanilang leather. Diba? Ang cute. Oh, huwag na natin anuhin. Basta ito siya. Cute. The next one is maggawa na lang ako ng another video sa kanila lahat. Balik natin pala sa kanilang plastic para hindi siya magasgas. Ayan. Kasi bibinta natin. Binta muna natin. Ito ay Rebecca Minkoff. Wow, it's so cutie. Denim bag. Wow, it's such a cutie. I love it. I love it. See that? So cute. Rebecca Minkoff again. You know, Rebecca Minkoff, hindi lahat ng tao alam ito. Yun lang mga mahilig sa bag, kagaya ko. Ganda-ganda. Ganda ng quality nila. The next one is, I think it's Michael Kors. Ibalik muna natin sa bag. Kasi bibinta natin. Kasi mahilig ako sa bag. So I'm trying to do business. Bag din. Kasi yun ang hilig ko eh. O diba? Di naman mamaho yan. Every year lang naman. Kasi sale. Michael Kors. So cute. Maliit siya. Very tiny. But may crossbody siya. For sure, kasya ang phone. Paano ba siya? Look, hindi ko alam buksan. I don't know how to open it. I-review ko to lahat. Ngayon, mag-unbox lang kasi tayo. Pero cute siya. Hindi ko alam buksan eh. Parang taba ng mukha ko. Paano ba? Figure out ko na lang ha. Basta siya ay Michael Kors. crocodile emboss. Ata to sa mat. Basta ang ganda siya. So, tapos tayo sa Dillard's. Mga friends. Galing to sa Dillard's. So, let's go put it there. Tapon muna natin kasi ang kamay ko ay masakit. Yan muna siya. Ito, huli natin yan. This one is from I don't know, I forgot. Maybe from Coach. Teka lang ha. Asan na yung gunting ko? Uy! Asan na yung gunting ko? Where did I put it? My gunting. Loko. Ay, yung gunting. Mama, yung gunting ko. Di ko ay, ito. Ito pala. Buksan natin. Excited din ako. Pero again, buksan lang natin. O, diba? Buksan natin. Try ko. Aray. Pag gusto niyo mamiling bag, yung Black Friday, of course, mga ganitong panahon. Dito sa Amerika, mabibili mo naman lahat. Lalo na pag sa baon ka nga lang sa utang. Hindi naman, kung marunong ka lang naman. Yung mga iba, kahit di afford, naka high-end brand, like this, mga luxurious brand. Ako tama na yung mga may mga luxury din, pero na-realize ko yung quality mas galing to sa Nordstrom Rack. Naku, natako na yung ibang bag. Diba? Tatlong sombrero, pang regalo ko lang yan kasi nag-sale yan ng super duper $5 each, pero dati siyang 30. Mahal siya dati. Another bag. Tignan natin kung anong bag to. Hindi ko na rin maalala kung anong bag to eh. Tignan natin. Magtyaga lang kayo manood sa akin ha. Kasi, yung aking damit. Naku, hindi pala maayos. Ayusin natin, nakaya sa inyo. Ayan. Wala kasi akong magawa pag namili ako. Rebecca Minkoff din. Sabi sa inyo, love ko ang Rebecca Minkoff eh. Ala Chanel style. Diba? Cute. I-review ko lang din yun next time. Tapon natin ulit doon. Ano pa ba? Ito I think from Nordstrom Rack. Ito. Palagay ko kasi halata sa pag ganito ang mga box. Nordstrom yan. Isa natin. Sarap din magbukas. Ano ba yun? Bakal naman ito mabukas na yan. Kaya magsawa ha? Manood lang kayo dyan. Itong video ko, pang lang to. Just for fun. Katigaya lang ako sa mga vlogger. Hindi naman ako vlogger. Yung mga sunglasses. Alam mo nyo ba ang sunglasses? Nahulog. Yun? Nahulog. Ferragamo. Wow, I have Ferragamo sunglasses. And Ferragamo is one of the very expensive Very expensive brand.
Where are you, Patrice?
Okay, my son is here. Oh my god, I like it. Let's see. Let's try. Let's try. Oh, di ba ang ganda ko na? Oh, I love it.
This one, this.
Di ba ang cute? Nako, ang damit ko. Yung sapaw ng aking damit ay itim. Kasi malamig na dito. Ayan. Hindi kita makita. Ang cute nito. Super. Oh my gosh. It was $380. And I bought it for less than 100. Very good deal. And this one, it's for myself, of course. For myself. For myself. And I'm so happy because it's so cute. Another sunglasses. It's from Kate Speed. Okay. Ta-da! Hulog. Oh, ano siya, yung pang-wipe niya. Let's see. Oh, so cute as well. Oh my god, you know how much is this? Oh my god, look at me. So cute. Love it. Kasi pag bumili kayo ng summer, mahal. May sale din naman pero mas mahal. Pag winter na siya, mura na, lalo na pagka Black Friday. This one I got it only for $25. And it was how much the original is? Almost $200. See? Be smart. Don't shop when it's expensive. Wait until it's on sale. So cute. Okay. Let's move on to another. I think I have one. Oh my god, this is so cute. Very, very, very cute. Okay. Now, let's move on to another sunglass. Kasi ang kaibigan ko, mahilig sila sa sunglass. Hindi naman talaga ako mahilig sa sunglass kasi may prescription ako. But, pag lumabas sila, sunglass na lang sunglass. So, para hindi ako ma-out of place, so I have to buy. Gusto ko iba-iba. Ganyan ako. Mahirap lang ako, pero I just want to have multiple whatever. Ah, this one is so cute too. I don't know what is the brand, but kinda loose over here. But the brand is Longchamp. You know how much I got it? It's only less than $20. And the original price was, I forgot. It's like 200 as well. Why it is very cheap? Because you have the 70% off plus 40% off. So it's a very nice deal. Ito, meron pa. Ang dami kong in-order. Mayaman si mama. O, diba? Ito naman ay Kuhan. Anyone knows Kuhan? See, I like this one because it's not too big. It's not too small. And because I'm small, so I think it's this one. I bought it for $14. Okay. $14. The original price is $100. The brand is Kohan. And it fits me very well because it's kind of small. And it's cute. Okay, let's move on to, because I'm tired now, let's unbox the other boxes next time. So this one is the last box that I will open because I'm tired. I have to go to sleep because I have to go to work pa. Oh, this is so cute from Rebecca Minkoff. Why I bought a lot of Rebecca Minkoff because they're very cheap. Not really cheap, but see, look at that. Again, it's so cute. Re-review ko na lang sa inyo to in separate videos. Tapon natin. So, hindi, buksan ko tong ano. I think it's the shoes. The Hoka shoes. They're very popular right now. And the cloud shoes. You know, the cloud shoes. I love it. I'm gonna make a review with my cloud shoes. But this one, it's from Nordstrom Rack as well. Because it was on sale. Regular price niya ay almost $300. Because 200 something plus tax. I bought it for 80. Because I don't really like rubber or whatever. But may sakit na ang aking paa. Color pink. How nice. Again, this is Hoka shoes. See. This is the shoes. And I think I love it. Bye. See you next time. Like, comments, share, and subscribe. Thank you. I appreciate it. Bye, mga friends.